Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will show you how Hyperlocal feature works. Let's start. Open the app in your device. Go to Hyperlocal feature. Based on your current location, here you will see all of the categories of the listings. Here I am seeing the categories college and company. Select your desired category. I'm going to select company. Under category you'll see subcategories of the listings. Here, as you can see, the subcategory, software company. Under subcategory, you'll see the listing. Like here, it is the listing of HR. And here you can see the price and distance of the company. You will see a couple of icons with the listing. Tap on the first icon if you want to submit a review. Tap on this icon if you want to share this listing with others. The web icon allows you to check the website of the listing. If you want to give a call, tap the fourth icon. Tap the last icon to check the location of the listing. Now let's request a quote and make an appointment. Tap on the listing. Here you can check the URL, contact number, email address, price, and location of the listing. Just under the Google Maps, you can check the timings and send an inquiry, as well as book an appointment. Tap Send Inquiry to request a quote for the service. Fill out the complete form with your name and email, and tap Send Request. You will see a confirmation message pop up. Now tap Book to book an appointment for this service. Choose a date. Select a time and tap Next. Enter in all the necessary information and tap Submit to continue. Choose the payment option you desire and tap on Confirm to continue. You'll be redirected to the Thank You page. Here you can see your booking ID. Go back to the main page of the Hyperlocal feature. Tap the drop-down menu and select My Bookings. From here you can also check all your upcoming and completed bookings. Once the booking slot is over, all the bookings will be auto-approved and will reflect in the completed section. Now comes the part of App Owner. Once the customer has requested a quote or made a booking, the app owners need to sign into their app account. Now they need to go to their dashboard and open My Apps. They need to go to the Hyperlocal section of their app. On the Hyperlocal dashboard, app owners need to go to the Manage Bookings section to check all its bookings. By clicking on the eye icon, you can check the booking details. If they want, they can delete the booking from here. Last but not least, from here they can change the status of the booking to completed. Once the booking is successfully completed, app users will see it in the completed section of their Hyperlocal feature. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.